I am from the Institution of Aeronautical Engineering, and I am going to explain about Tech Talk, which has been related to my topic is Laplace transform to solve the differential equations, and my subject is mathematical transform techniques. And my name is Alapalli Akhil, and my roll number is 20951J2105 as shown on the screen. I am related to the branch of aeronautical engineering. First of all, Laplace. Laplace means you have to know about two lines. What is Laplace? Laplace. We know about the definition. Definition of a Laplace transform. It can be defined as let f of t be a given function and defined for all positive values of t. Then the value of a Laplace transform of f of t denoted by L of f of t or f power of s is defined by L of f of t equals to f power of s equals to integration of 0 to infinity e power minus st into f of t into dt. This is Laplace equation which is very important, and provided the integral existence and the parameter of s is a real or complex number, then the formula is L of f of t equals to power of s equals to integration of 0 to infinity power minus st into f of t into dt. And according to solve the differential equations, we can solve the differential equations as shown on the screen. Solve the following initial value problems using the Laplace, which has given as t square y by dt square plus 4 into dy by dt plus 4y equals to e power minus t, where y of 0 equals to 0, y dash of 0 equals to 0, in which y of 0 equals to 0 is represented as x equals to 0 and y equals to 0. Y dash of 0 is also represented as x equals to 0 and y equals to 0, which represents that x equals to 0 and y equals to 0. And the given equation is t square y by dt square plus 4 into dy by dt plus 4y into e power minus t. And d square y by dt square we can be written as double derivative 2 means y double dash. The given equation can be written in the form of y double dash of t plus 4 into y dash of t plus 4y into t equals to e power minus t. Taking the Laplace on both sides, and we can apply the formula, that is L of y double dash of t we can be written as s square of L into y of t and minus s of y of 0 minus y dash of 0, and we have a formula y dash of t also 4 into s of L of y of t minus y of 0, and L of y of t can written as L of y of t. And according to these formulas we can solve the above equations. By solving this, we can written like this: L of s square into L of y of t minus y of 0 minus y dash of 0 plus 4 into s of L of y of t minus y of 0 plus 4 into L of y of t. According to this, we can take the common L of y of t, and we get an equation s plus 4s plus 4 equals to 1 by s plus 1, or you can write it in the form of L of y of t equals to s square plus 4s plus 4 equals to 1 by s plus 1, or you can write as L of y of t equals to, with its numerator part is sending into the denominator, we can written as a plus b whole square form, so that s plus 2 whole square it can be written as y of, when LHS is Laplace, when you have turns into the RHS, we get that Laplace is inverse of Laplace. Y of t equals to L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 to s plus 2 whole square. According to the partial differentiation, we can apply, we get the further equations, and we can apply that L of 1 by s plus 1 into s plus 2 whole square. We can apply in partial differentiation equations, and we get the equations like this: a by s plus 1 plus b by s plus 2 plus c by s plus 2 whole square. And by taking the LCM on both sides, we get 1 equals to a into s plus 2 plus b into s plus 1 s plus 2 plus c into s plus 1. By going the general formation methods, put s equals to -1. By applying in this equation, we get a equals to 1. like 1 is equals to a into s plus, we have to keep minus 1 plus 2, 1 whole square, a square, plus b into plus 1 minus 1 becomes the 0, in the place of c, s plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 becomes the 0, so that a equals to 1, put s equals to minus 2 in the above equation. 1 equals to a into plus 2 minus 2 becomes the 0, and b into s plus of 2 plus 2 minus 2 becomes the 0. In the place of c, plus 2 plus in the place of c, minus 2 plus 1, we get that minus 1. C equals to minus 1. Putting s equals to minus 2, we get c equals to minus 1. Put s equals to g equals to 0. By the above equation, we get that 1 equals to a into 4 plus b into 2 plus c into 1. And further solving, we get that b equals to minus 1. We have a value, b value, c value, which are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1, c equals to minus 1. In the above equation, we have get now 1 by s plus 1 into s plus 2 whole square. By replacing a, b, c values in those equations, then we get that y of t. By applying those, and we have to apply the Laplace inverse. Y of t equals to L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 into s plus 2 whole square. By applying the Laplace equation, by applying the first shifting theorem, we get that we can observe that L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 into s plus 2 whole square equals to L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 minus L inverse of 1 by s plus 2 minus L inverse of 1 by s plus 3. According to, we are applying the first shifting theorem, y of t equals to e power minus t minus e power minus 1 by s plus 1 we can be written in the form of e power minus t, 1 by s plus 2 we can written in the form of e power minus 2t, and 1 by s plus 2 whole square we can written in the form of e power minus 2t into t. Thank you for giving this opportunity.